In this video, I'll show you how you can open the console in Google Chrome. Now, first step, guys, is you need to open up a Google Chrome like this. Now, once you're in here, you can either right click or press F12 on your keyboard. But if you press right click and you press on inspect, you will open up the elements out here. And from the elements, you can see a lot of different stuff. You can change how the page looks, only for you, of course. But if you see here up in the top here, there will be a button that says console. If you press on it, you will now enter console on the Google Chrome. Now that's basically how you can do it on Google Chrome, guys. It's super easy. There's not really much more to it. You just right click or F12, inspect, go to the console right here. Now, if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.